Welcome back to Saints Creations. Today we're going to be doing the chemistry set part 2 by Science Squad. We're going to be doing 2, maybe 3 experiments. The first one is going to be called glowworms. The second one's going to be called I'm melting. But stay tuned because this is going to be a surprise you want to see. The things we will need for glowworms is sodium alginate, glow powder, calcium chloride, a cup and a half of warm water, something to stir with, and a beaker and some gloves.
All right, let's break it down.
First, we are going to need a spoonful of glow powder and put it in a cup and a half of warm water. And then get the stirring stick and stir. Now we are going to mix sodium alginate in this cup and a half of warm water. Stirring stick. You're going to have to stir this until it dissolves. We have a half a bag of calcium chloride inside this flask. And my dad is going to help me pour a cup inside of this beaker or flask. Cool. And oddly satisfying for some reason. That looks like
Stir it until the calcium chloride dissolves.
I can see it all just swirling around in the flask.
We're gonna dump this whole mess in here.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because I think those clumps that you see, that's gonna be our glowworms.
Yeah, this is supposed to be our glowworms.
Now we're just gonna let that sit. We're gonna let that sit for actually about an hour because they say if you let it sit for an hour in there, you'll get the best glowworm results.
The yellow?
Huh?
The yellow? While we wait for these glowworms to be finished, we are going to move on to our next project called I Am Melting. And so this project, what we're going to be doing on this project is sprinkling a pinch of calcium chloride on this ice to see what happens. So we're going to get the calcium chloride, open it up, and take as big of a pinch as I can. It's like there's one right there melting inside of the ice.
That's cool. Wait, making holes all in the ice. I don't know how it does that, huh? Can I just... there's some bubbles in the ice. Like I see little bubbles on this side.
heat things back up. And that is exactly what we are going to do. For this next experiment, it is called Things Are Heating Up. What we have here is a 1/8 of a cup of water in a resealable bag and 1/4 of this bag of calcium chloride, and we are going to pour the calcium chloride in this bag to see what happens.
All right, let's see. What is it gonna do? Let's see. Need some help? Open the bag. Yeah. All right. Don't do that.
And I'm recording. When I see bubbles, I know that means boiling is going to be happening soon.
I don't think it's gonna boil.
Or it's just the calcium chloride that dissolved, which made the water form some bubbles.
What do you think? Is it hot? Oh, it's getting a little warm.
I just felt that way. I need to take off my gloves real quick.
A little bit warm.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit warm. Looks like our ice is warming up too.
It's staying ice for a long time. It's been a while.
There's a little bit of water. We're gonna take these worms, put them in the petri dish, hold them under some light, and see if they glow. You have to take the big, clumpy one. Ooh, there's one right here.
Might be easier to.
Feel weird?
They feel like gummy worms. But they tell us after we're done with them to just throw them away in the sink after.
All right, we let these worms sit under the light for about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna see if they glow.
Oh.
Wait, look at that! The cup is glowing too.
Wow, look, that's the bag of glow powder. It's glowing a lot.
And the cup.
Our measuring cup, and you can see the numbers in the dark. It's completely dark in here. And there's your glowworms. Wow.
They don't really look like worms, but it'll work.
Pretty cool. All right, let's get the lights back on. Bam!
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned on the next video. I hope you had a happy new year and a great day. I had a big surprise to tell you. I'm going to be filming a video every week or every other week for you guys to have more content. Bye!